Hey guys, Alex from TechGraphic here. Has it ever happened that you join a Zoom video conference or work meeting on Microsoft Teams or even a school class on Google Meet, but your microphone volume was too low and other people couldn't hear you? Trust me, it's pretty frustrating because I've experienced it myself. So today, we're going to be fixing that problem in less than a minute. So without any further ado, let's roll the intro and get right into this thing. Alright, so right now on the top right of your screen, you're going to be seeing a 60-second countdown timer. We're going to head over to the bottom right of our screen where our taskbar is, hover over our volume icon, right click it and hit sounds. Once this little window pops up, we're going to head over to recording, and here you're going to see all the microphones that you have on hand. You want to select the microphone that is default because that's probably the one that you use the most. And you can know your default microphone because it has this green check mark right beside the microphone icon, and it also says default device right over here in gray. So we're just going to select that in blue and head over to properties. Once this opens up, we're going to head over to levels, and here you can adjust your microphone volume. You can put it all the way up. And it's that simple. You've just adjusted your microphone volume in less than a minute. So make sure to smash that like button, share, comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe with notifications on. Hopefully this fixes your problem, and yeah, that's it for me today. Thank you and have a nice day.